Our modern and active lifestyle has altered our sleeping patterns, turning many of us into daytime zombies. After all-day activity, the tendency of mind to get engaged in thought is strongest at the bedtime. The question that comes into mind is, how can we get the quality sleep at night? Well, that's where the meditation comes to rescue. In this video, I will explain what is sleep meditation, what are the benefits of sleep meditation, and what is the importance of sleep meditation in our life, and what are the reasons of sleep deprivation, so that you can improve your quality of sleep and cure insomnia. So stay tuned. Hello everyone, Namaste, Sat Shri Akal. I'm Sukhwinder Singh and welcome to Yoga Chaitanya, a channel where you will find free content for improving your physical, mental, emotional and spiritual well-being. So if you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss any of the health-related tips and updates. Today we have started a new series and playlist on sleep meditation. And this is my first video on sleep meditation. After this video, I will introduce you to some of the most effective sleep meditations to cure insomnia. Sleep is a necessary part of our daily routine. Getting a quality sleep is essential for survival, as necessary as food and water. But in modern lifestyle, majority of people are experiencing sleeping problems. Major reason for sleep disorder is stress, hectic routines, and bad lifestyle. Sleeping problems has a negative impact on energy and mood. Further, it affects the concentration and the complete health of the being. On the other hand, if you get quality sleep at the night, it makes you feel positive, alert, and energetic. A healthy adult needs 7 to 9 hours of sleep for proper functioning of body and brain. But as per the scientific surveys and reports, over 48% of adults sleep fewer than 7 hours nightly. What are the causes of sleep deprivation? Excessive use of technology before sleeping. Watching TV, using cell phones, playing video games, using computers and other electronic triggers the mind and the thought. So when you're trying to sleep at night, it will create a sequence of thoughts in a loop which will make sleeping a difficult task. Following the trend of hyperactive mindset, people of this 21st century believes that sleeping is waste of time. Less you sleep, more productive you are. This is complete nonsense. A healthy adult needs 7 to 9 hours of sleep every night for proper functioning of body and mind. Poor sleep hygiene. Consumption of coffee, tea or cigarettes before sleeping stimulates the nervous system and makes sleeping a very difficult task. As per Ayurveda and Yoga, there are 3 gunas of nature or 3 qualities of nature which are present in every human being, which is Sattva, Rajas and Tamas. Sattva is associated with awareness and awakening. Sattva makes you awake in the morning. Rajas is associated with movement. It makes you active throughout the day. Tamas is associated with lethargy, sleep or rest. So Tamas makes you sleep at night. So if you consume Rajasic food like coffee, tea or cigarettes before sleeping, it will not allow you to sleep. Stress in life. Stress related to work, school, health, finances or relations and family. Stress keeps your mind active at night and does not allow you to sleep. Sleep disorders. Sleep apnea, snoring and periodic movement disorder, that is restless leg syndrome. All these can disturb the person many times during the night. So it becomes very difficult to sleep at night. What is sleep meditation? Sleep meditation is a specific tool for a modern man that can offer natural sleep at the night. It allows us to let go of the day so that we can rest the mind while resting the body. A study published by Journal of American Medical Association, JAMA, stated that mindful meditation improves sleep quality among older adults with sleeping disturbances. This study included 49 participants with an average age of 66, divided into two groups. The first group experienced mindful meditation, while the other group was taught sleep education. After comparing the results of the two groups, it was found that the group which practiced mindful meditation experienced less insomnia, depression, and fatigue. What is the importance of sleep meditation? Sleep meditation is a powerful tool that will help us fall asleep and have quality sleep at night. Sleep meditation helps lower the heart rate by stimulating the parasympathetic nervous system. It encourages slower breathing, thus increasing the quality of night's sleep. Sleep meditation calms the hyperactive chattering mind. It also relaxes the muscles of the body. Sleep meditation helps to transform the brainwave frequencies. It changes the brainwave frequencies from beta state to alpha, delta, and theta state, thus reducing the stress and anxiety associated with beta brainwaves. Sleep meditation helps to regularize the sleep cycle. It manages NREM, that is non-rapid eye movement cycle, and REM, that is rapid eye movement cycle of the sleep. Sleep meditation helps to revitalize the life energy. Most importantly, the centers of the brain and the hearts calm down. Thus, the life energy functions from the navel center. What are the benefits of sleep meditation? Sleep meditation improves the quality of sleep. It helps to reduce stress and it further strengthens the immune system. Sleep meditation boosts the productivity by improving the functioning of the brain. It brings mental clarity and improves the memory. Sleep meditation also helps in spiritual development. If you practice meditation before sleeping, then your entire sleep will transform into meditation. This will further improve your awareness, leading to your spiritual development. So this was all about sleep meditation, its benefits and importance. In upcoming videos, I will introduce you to some of the highly effective sleep meditation which can cure insomnia. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon with all notifications so that you don't miss any of the related tips and updates. I hope you liked this video and it added some value to life. If you think so, please press the like button and comment. Thank you so much for patiently watching this video. Namaste, Sat Shri Akal. Take care. God bless you.